Regardless of the reason, losing a limb can never be easy. Both mentally and physically, it can negatively affect the person and inevitably change their life as well as the life of their loved ones. According to a recent study, the loss of a thumb can alone lead to 22% impairment of the whole person. The importance of the human arm and limb can never be underestimated. The difficulties in activities faced by amputees include lacing shoes, using scissors, removing bottle tops, and such similar tasks which one of us wouldn't even consider to be difficult. Another study shows after amputation, around 70% of the respondents became unemployed or changed workplaces. All of us need to understand that the loss of one's hand can significantly affect the level of autonomy and the capability of performing daily living, working, and social activities.
The number of disabilities in Indian population is more than 5 to 8% of the total population. Out of 70 crores male Indian citizens, 1.5 crores are disabled, and out of 65 crore female citizens, 1.18 crores are disabled. Most of the people who have disabilities settle in rural areas, which comprises of 65%. The lives of disabled people are more difficult when compared to normal people. The government are doing their best to help the disabled people by giving free education and giving 4% reservation in government jobs, but still there is a long way to go. The non-profit organizations are also doing their bit to improve the lives of the disabled people. A prosthesis or prosthesis limb is an artificial device that replaces a missing body part which may be lost to trauma, disease, or a condition at birth. The prosthesis limb is intended to provide a functionality of the missing body part. The prosthesis or prosthesis limb is designed to provide functionality and mobility for amputees to perform a wide range of daily tasks. When an arm or other extremity is lost or amputated, prosthetic device or prosthesis limb plays a very important role in rehabilitation. For many people, the prosthetic devices help them to get around more easily. They even mimic the functions and appearance also will be same most of the times. For many people, prosthesis or prosthetic arm helps them in their mobility and allows them to do a wide range of daily activities, which means they will be allowed to stay more independent in their lives. In India, a typical prosthetic arm costs anywhere between Rs 1 lakh and Rs 15 lakh, which also depend on the prosthetic arm designed by the patient. With amputation being reported daily, India's vast rural hinterland is being compared to a war zone. In India, 2/3 of the 1.2 billion inhabitants are living in low-income rural areas where accidents are being reported daily, resulting in loss of limbs. According to estimates, there are more than 500,000 amputees in India, with tens of thousands of amputees being added to this number. The low-cost, limited-function prosthetic arm available in the market does not provide proper assistance for the amputees. The high-cost, limited-function, and custom nature of the prosthetic arm are not being affordable by all the amputees.
We at Addere Creations are working on a 3D printed prosthetic arm that is an advanced product which uses latest tech-based sensors to enhance mobility. As a prosthetic arm is 3D printed, it weighs less and is cost effective. Since our prosthetic arm is 3D printed, it can be made custom made for each individual. With many iterations in the design process, we have come up with the most suitable and robust design that helps the user to perform his daily operations such as carrying small objects, using mobile phones, and many other daily activities. Our prosthetic arm can move each finger individually. Several grip positions can be made accessible by locking fingers with ease. The myoelectric sensor used in the prosthetic arm converts the muscular movement of the amputees into prosthetic arm movements. We are aiming to make the 3D printed prosthetic arm with the best features and in the cost range of Rs 50,000 to Rs 1 lakh, such that it is available to one and all. Here are some of the clips of the prototypes of the 3D printed prosthetic arm that we are working on at Addere Creations. Join us in making this project successful. You can help us in many ways. You can help by connecting us to doctors who are working on limb prosthesis, prosthetic arm manufacturers, or to the amputees who are looking for prosthesis, or by even involving yourself and supporting us in design, electronics and much more. Together, let us work towards making an affordable and practical prosthetic arm and help in the betterment of countless lives. Make sure to keep logged on to Addere Creations YouTube channel as we come up with exciting videos. Subscribe if not done already and click on the bell icon to receive notification. Thank you.